Stay until the end of the video for giveaway information. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the plan with me for my April 2021 bullet journal, and the theme is based off this painting that I'm working on. I just thought it was so pretty, I wanted to recreate it, but I didn't want to paint it in the journal because that would take too long, so I'm going to use markers and also varying pictures that I cleaned up and printed from my iPad. So I'm really sorry, this is really shaky. I hooked my camera to the small table that I work on instead of the kitchen table behind it, and so every time I moved, the entire thing shook. So please stick around for the giveaway. I promise it's worth it, but I skipped through a lot just to shorten the video and lessen the amount of time you saw the video shaking. Anyway, moving on. So I'm doing a series of flowers like in the painting with 3 different color Crayola super tip markers, and then the 4th color is just for the centerpieces. I tried outlining one, but I didn't like the way it looked. Also, didn't like the way that my handwriting came out for April. But other than that, honestly guys, the colors in this journal are just chef's kiss. Beautiful. I love them. I also did a cute little geometric pattern with a gold Sharpie paint pen. And then I wanted to make it a little bit more 3D, and I wanted to add just a little bit of a contrast color here. So I've also got some blue hydrangea flowers and some monarch butterflies because I really liked the way that the orange butterflies looked with the blue flowers. And then further on in, I also have some blue butterflies in there. The second page that I'm working on now, I just threw some colors up at the top because I didn't want it to be super blank, and then I did the flowers again in the corner. After that, I added a couple of butterflies, a blue one and an orange one, and then a couple of hydrangeas again. I also didn't know what the flowers were that I painted, so I kept looking around, and they most resembled hydrangeas and Himalayan blue poppies and forget-me-nots. Anyway, that was my calendar page. The next page is my YouTube planning page that's been working for me for the past couple of months, so I'm going to continue it because if it works, why mess with it? I'm also decorating it pretty similarly. I put down the craft tape, and then I found a sticker that sort of matched the journal, added some flowers in, added a butterfly and a couple of hydrangeas in, and that's really, pretty easy for that page. Next page, another craft paper sticker and my to-do list, and then I added a couple of flowers, butterfly, and then a big butterfly at the bottom, and I drew its antennas on because I had cut them off because they looked weird. My next page is my trackers and my music and TV page. So I printed out monthly calendars like I have been doing, which really just saves my hands as far as writing out trackers every month. This is so much easier. Also, I put in here my little Procreate videos so you can see how I did it kind of quickly. I added flowers. I labeled it trackers, but I put it down the side because I didn't really have room to put it at the top. I glued this cute little thing down here. It says music of the month, and I kind of made that whole picture myself. The next one didn't come out as good, but honestly I wasn't going to print a whole nother paper for one thing that I didn't like because that's a waste of paper. So it's going to stay that way. It goes in my journal and I know what it's for. I also did all of the days and the dates because I really like the way that that's been coming out. And I made all of the lettering kind of ombre from the dark blue to a medium to a light blue, and I think that came out really pretty. And then I really just went ham on this weekly layout with the rest of really the cutouts that I had. I had found this cute gold hand sticker, and so then I made it look like the butterflies were coming from her hand, and then I added my last few flowers, and that was it. really easy peasy. I think it came out so pretty. I love the colors that are in it. I'm so sorry the video is shaky. Because this could have been my winner, guys. It could have been my winner. Anyway, here's the final flip through, and then we're going to get to the giveaway information. Alright, here it is. So, first we've got 3 thin washi tapes in white, gray, and craft paper. We've got a zebra mechanical pencil. We've got 4 fine liners. This is a little pouch that hooks to your bullet journal. You can hook it right around the cover or the back cover, and you can put your pens in it. A brand new pack of Tombow markers. All of this is brand new. And then finally, an Archer and Olive A5 dot grid bullet journal. Basically, this is like a fairly decent quality starter kit for bullet journaler. Like, I did not use this high quality bullet journal when I started, so anyway, I'm going to announce it in my May 2021 Plan With Me video because that's my 1-year anniversary. So to enter this, you gotta like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment below with your Instagram handle and why you want to win. I'll be drawing names from a hat or a bowl. US entries only. I'm sorry. Good luck! See you soon! Bye!